It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having $1 Million potato casserole. The next 3 weeks here, we're going to be having one Thanksgiving side and a dessert. Each one of us is going to be doing one. And just to give you some ideas for Thanksgiving, that something different. But today we're going to be making the potato casserole. I've made this before, but today we're going to be making it in the crock pot. You can make it in the Instant Pot, the oven. But today I'm going to be making it in the crock pot because while your turkey's baking, you could have this in the crock pot and it won't take up no space in the oven. So what you'll need is 30 ounce of hash brown potatoes. Last time I used the shredded. I'm going to try these this time. You're going to need 1 package of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken, whichever you would like. Then you'll need 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese, or any kind of cheese you would like to. You could make it your own. 1 half sleeve of Ritz cracker or butter cracker. 3 tablespoons of dry ranch dressing mix. And if you're getting the pack, it's the whole pack that you use. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And it calls for 1/4 cup of diced green onion. I don't have no green onion, so I'm just going to use the white onion, and I've already got some chopped up that I have left over, so I'm going to use that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to put everything except for the Ritz crackers and butter. And it says use the onion for topping, but I think I'm just going to put the onion in here too. Just pour in your hash brown. And I've softened the cream cheese. Get that out of there. Okay. Softened cream cheese. And then we'll put sour cream. 1 cup of sour cream. Put this onion in here before I forget. You can top yours with onion. I'm just going to cook mine in with it. Okay, mushroom soup. You could make your own mushroom soup. The sour cream, it says you can use ricotta cheese instead if you don't want sour cream. I like sour cream though. Your ranch dressing mix. Mine's kind of chunky. It gets humid in here, so. And then your cup of shredded cheese. Mine's a little heaping cup. I like cheese, so. Okay, and that's all there is to it. You put this on low for 4 to 6 hours, and then we'll see you whenever that gets done. Okay, it's been in here about, let's see, going on 5.5 hours. I'm going to stir this up, see if the potatoes are done. Yeah, they're done. Okay. I'm going to keep this on warm and we'll make the topping to go on it, and then we'll try it. Okay, for the topping, it says a half of a sleeve of Ritz crackers. I'm gonna do the whole sleeve, and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna use 3. Just spread that around. Let me mix it up. I'm going to spread this out and put it in under the broiler for just a few minutes till it gets a little bit brown. We'll be back to top our potato casserole. Okay, we're going to put our Ritz crackers over top. Now, if you didn't put your onions in with the potatoes, you can top that now with onions, or you can just leave them out. Okay, there it is. We're going to plate it up and have Doug and Daniel taste it. Okay, here it is all plated up. We got some Spam and green beans. Some people love Spam, some people hate it. We like it.
We love it.
Daniel and Doug try.
Alrighty.
It's
Carolyn
hot.
says it's hot.
Very hot. We've had it before. This is with the...
It's good. Delicious.
Delicious.
Okay, we'll have a dessert coming right up. Okay, for my dessert, I'm going to be making applesauce cake with cinnamon cream cheese frosting. You're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, and it calls for 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. I won't be putting it in ours. I don't really care for cloves, and nutmeg I can take or leave, but I'm not going to put those 2 in, but the recipe will be down below if you want to put those in. Then you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter softened, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce. I have some that I just canned not too long ago, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we'll have the frosting after we get the cake made. This is made in an 8x8 pan, and you want to spray or grease your pan really good. Okay, first we're going to mix our dry ingredients together in a bowl. There's the 1.5 cups of flour. And we'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, And we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now for the cinnamon, it's 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. So I am going to just make that 1 whole teaspoon of cinnamon to make up for the nutmeg. I have a 1/2 teaspoon here made. Okay, we're going to mix this all together, and now we'll mix up the wet ingredients. Now we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. I've got my oven set to 350. We're going to cream together the sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 stick of butter. Mix that until it's light and fluffy, it says. Okay, now we're going to add egg and mix that in. Okay, now we're going to gradually add the flour mixture or the dry ingredients, and also a teaspoon of vanilla. And we'll mix that slowly. You want to mix this just until it's combined. You don't want to over-mix your flour and dry ingredients. I'm just adding a little bit of at a time. Be back when we get all that mixed in. And I was supposed to add the applesauce with the wet ingredients. So make sure you do that. I'm sure it'll be fine. I knew there was something missing. Okay, I'm just going to stir that in. Okay, I've got a 8x8 pan here that's been sprayed real good. I'm going to just put that in. Uh-oh. Drip some off. Smooth that out. This isn't going to be a very big cake. If you wanted to make like a layer cake, I would double the recipe. I'm just going to make a little one here. Alright, I'm going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, for 30 to 35 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. We'll be back then. Okay, here it is out of the oven. We're going to let this set and completely cool before we make the icing. We'll be back when that gets done. Okay, we're going to make the icing. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/4 cup of butter softened, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, we're going to add the cream cheese. We're going to mix this in a mixer. And butter. And we're going to cream this together till it's creamy. Okay, now we're going to gradually add the powdered sugar, 3 cups. Mix it and then add some more. Okay, now we're going to add the vanilla and mix. Okay, and then we're going to add the cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. I tasted this icing before I added the cinnamon. It is delicious. I have to write that recipe down just for icing. Okay, the cake's cooled. Now we're just going to put the icing on. Okay, here it is. I'm not the best cake decorator, but hope it tastes good. We're gonna plate it up, let Daniel and Doug see if it's any good. Okay, here it is. I'll plate it up. That's what the inside looks like. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Okay. Uh-oh, leave me come here and wreck it. Delicious.
That's good.
Did good, Shug.
Okay. Alright. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us. And next week we'll have another Thanksgiving side and dessert.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon. Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon.